How to create Metro Bank online account. So if you want to create a Metro Bank online account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And then I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Metro Bank online account. And after searching for that, here on the first search you will have register for online banking. Click on that. So now to register to your internet banking or your online banking, you need to have these three things. So first you need to have your 12-digit customer number, and the second one is your magic word which you receive while you open your account, and the third is your UK registered mobile number. So if you don't have these three things with you, then you can't register to your internet banking. So to register, simply click on register for internet banking, which is here. And now if you have already registered and if you want to reset your password or if you want to reset your security number, then you can go for this upper side. But if you have not registered, then simply scroll down and here you can go for register for online banking. But if you don't have an account or if you have not opened an account yet on this bank or with this bank, then you can simply go for don't have an account with us, open one. Here you will have this, you can click on that and then you can open your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to register to online banking, then click on this register for online banking, and now you need to enter those three things. So first is your 12-digit customer number. But if you forgot your 12-digit customer number, then you can go for forgotten your customer number. And then you can enter your details like your first and last name and your account details and your current account, and you can go for verify my details, and you have to review your mobile number after that, and then you will receive a text. But if you remember your 12-digit customer number, then enter that here. And then next you need to enter your last 4 digits of your mobile number, of your UK registered mobile number. So after entering that number, you will receive a one-time passcode, and you have to enter that passcode here to confirm your identity. And after that, your second step will be completed. And then on the last, you need to enter your magic word. So this is the code that you choose or receive when you open your account. It's between 8 and 12 characters long. So you need to enter that magic word here. But if you don't have your magic word, then you can simply click on need a new magic word, and then here it says that if you need a magic word, then you need to visit the store, and after visiting the store they will give you a new magic word, and after that you can enter that here. You can again go through the same process and you can enter that magic word here, and after entering all of these information you can simply click on continue, and you will be registered for your online banking. So that's it. That's how you register. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.